Savannah Blair C. Kaoro. I am here to read you a story, and the title of my story is Rapunzel. A long time ago, a girl named Rapunzel was known for her beautiful long blonde hair. Unfortunately, she was locked up in a tower with no doors by an evil witch. The witch never allowed her to go out, which made her lonely and miserable. One day, a handsome young prince heard her voice and fell in love with her. Both of them decided to flee, but somehow the witch came to know about it. She cut down Rapunzel's long, beautiful hair and cast a spell on her, which led her to live in a lonely desert. The witch also cast a spell on the prince that made him go blind and left him to wander in the deserted forest. After many years of wandering, the prince and Rapunzel finally met. Rapunzel was so happy seeing her prince that she started crying, and a few of her tears fell in the prince's eyes. This brought back his eyesight, and both lived happily ever after in their kingdom. The moral lesson that we can learn from his story is that teach children to never give up on something they love, no matter how hard things get. They should be persistent in working towards their goal, and no one can stop them for their succeeding in life. Thank you for listening to my story.